recipes, secret recipes. Delicious cafe in Campo d'Orlando. This guy is very famous for his pastry, his pizzas, espressos, granitas, Italian ices. I'm going to show you how to make them at home today. So follow us up over there. We'll have some fun, eat some good food. We'll show you how to make it. Okay?
Right here in Campo d'Orlando, the main piazza, and we're gonna go to the cafe now. Follow me. So here we are. This is it, the delicious cafe in Campo d'Orlando. A place for amazing desserts, main courses, drinks, cafe.
Campagnola bella, sei la regina, negli occhi tuoi c'è colore.
Cazzoni, arancini, mozzarella in carrozza, pingioni, arancini di pistacchio, pizza. Oh my god, I think I'll go for the pizza. The pizza, it's pizza. The pizza's it.
Saluto, l'ho fatto, parlo di nuovo ovviamente a tutti voi se ci state ascoltando dopo le parti, ma possiamo tutti noi nel resto del mondo.
Rametti di nocciole, biscottini da tè, treccine sfoglia, baci di dame, occhi di bue al pistacchio, occhi di bue al cioccolato, treccine al latte, paste di mandorla al mandarino, paste di mandorla normali, treccine di cotta frolla, occhi di bue marmellata, il cannolo con la ricotta e le paste di mandorla al pistacchio. Poi abbiamo le brioche giganti e i cornetti. Cannolo. Vuoi il cannolo? Ecco il cannolo.
Wow, it's so good. Naturally, I picked this cannolo because cannolo is a very traditional Sicilian recipe, especially on this side of the island. It's one of the best things, stuffed with cream, with the fresh ricotta, and nuts, and sugar. It looks like a cone on the outside. And then powdered sugar and chocolates. And, ooh. Let's go in the kitchen and make some arancini. Well, hello, I'm here in Campo d'Orlando, Sicily, with Franco Lazzara, the owner of this fantastic place.
Preparando gli ingredienti per fare le arancine.
Okay, so we're getting ready. He's getting ready to make the ragu, which is the meat sauce, to put inside the arancini, which we're going to show you how to make this. Okay, these are the made. Okay, first we have carrots, peeled carrots. We got 3 carrots. Onion. We got an onion.
E il sedano.
We got 2 stalks of celery. This is bay leaf.
Allora, prepariamo un trito di cipolla, sedano e carote.
Got a nice mixture of chopped carrots, onions, and celery. This is first press olive oil, locally made. Yeah, put that baby in that front pan. Okay, looks beautiful. Now we're gonna put it on the stove there. And saute this.
Rosoliamo gli ingredienti.
Saute for about 5 minutes, maybe 7 or 10. Come si sa quando è pronta?
Quando appassisce un pochettino è pronto.
Okay, when it gets kind of pasty, it's done. Got mortadella o pistacchio. Beef. Okay, the saute is now ready for the next step.
Andiamo a cucinare.
Okay. I was saute the meat in there with the other ingredients. Put the mortadella, cold cut, with the pistachio. Yes, that smell good. Put more baby.
Chiamiamo con un po' di vino bianco, un bicchiere di
Put one little glass of white wine. Yeah, you gotta get the meat drunk before you. Yes. Wine after because once the meat is browned,
si fa evaporare il vino.
then cook the ingredients until the wine evaporates.
Prepariamo il riso mettendo 2 litri e 3 di acqua in una pentola.
That's 2.5 quarts of water.
Grammi di brodo vegetale.
Okay, 60 grams of vegetable extract. and
160 grammi di burro.
160 grammi, 160 grams of butter. Salato e non salato? Il burro? No. Normale, senza sale?
Senza sale. C'è il dado che fa la
Yeah,
sale.
saffron. Very
E 3
expensive.
bustine di zafferano.
Three, this is like gold. Red saffron. And we'll put it right in the mix. Okay, put that baby on the fire. Meanwhile, the meat and other stuff is sauteing. But the wine is evaporated.
Cominciamo a passare di nuovo.
Tomato puree. Yeah. Put enough tomato puree to cover the meat.
Adesso si lascia cucinare a fuoco lento per almeno un'ora.
Okay, so we're going to cook the meat and all the ingredients with the tomatoes for about an hour. Okay, we're going to taste it and make sure the seasons is right.
E aggiungiamo lo sale.
Add a little bit of salt to taste. A little bit more pepper.
E un po' di cosa.
A little bit more of nutmeg. Alright, we put in some tomato paste to thicken up the sauce. And make sure you stir the meat every so often so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Almost ready.
Quando l'acqua raggiunge l'ebollizione si versa il riso.
And the water is boiling.
Sparge per bene.
Make sure you evenly pour it. Okay, when the water starts boiling again, lower the flame and let it simmer without touching it. The rice is not to be stirred, so only make sure it's level with the spoon, very gently. Now it's boiling, so we're going to lower the flame.
Quando l'acqua è quasi tutta evaporata, il riso è pronto per essere messo sul banco a raffreddare.
When the water is evaporated and the rice is ready to cool down to make the arancini. It's almost ready. Okay, the rice is ready. The water is pretty much evaporated. You can see the rice on the top, ready to cool down. Quanto ha cucinato?
Il tempo che ha assorbito l'acqua,
Mezz'ora?
mezz'oretta,
Probably about half hour until the water gets all absorbed. Cooking.
essendo stato girato.
The rice is not stuck to the bottom of the pan even though it was not stirred.
Ora mantecchiamo con 160 grammi di parmigiano. 160 grammi di parmigiano.
Okay, 160 grams of grated Parmesan, fresh grated Parmesan. Stir that baby up. Yeah.
Generale Calais.
So put it down
Yeah.
on a cold table, clean cold table.
Si stende per farlo raffreddare. Il più velocemente possibile.
Put it there so it gets cold as fast as possible. while the rice is cooking, let's go back up front and get some drinks. Yeah. Hey! Allora, com'era Antonio? Okay, we'll go back in the kitchen, make some granita now. Yeah, to cool off. He's an expert at making Italian ices. He's gonna make for us granita.
Adesso vi facciamo vedere come fare la granita a casa. Abbiamo bisogno del ghiaccio.
Okay, so you can make this at home. Normally they have a big machine they make it, but here you just use ice.
Ice e dobbiamo mettere del sale
And put
nel ghiaccio in modo che
fino
sale fino.
They put like a pound.
2 kg, sì, mezzo chilo, un chilo di sale fino.
Okay, 2 pounds of salt in the ice. This keeps the ice from melting.
E andiamo a mescolare.
Okay, put the salt in there, mix it up with the ice. One time we used to make this with snow. When it snowed, the only time we can make it. I'm going to use this other bowl to
Facendo in modo che le pareti della bacinella aderiscano perfettamente col ghiaccio.
yeah, make sure the walls of the ice of the pan touch all around the ice. The colder the better.
Ora andiamo a mettere i nostri ingredienti.
Okay, we have sugar,
Zucchero,
one thing,
abbiamo 200 grammi di zucchero,
200 grams of sugar,
100 grammi di succo di limone
100 cc's of fresh squeezed lemon juice,
e 300 di acqua.
and 300 cc's of water.
Andiamo a mescolare. Stir it up really good so it gets all blended together. Sugar, lemon, and water.
Pour it into the pan, empty pan.
Continuiamo a girare finché il liquido non si solidifica.
You see that the contents of the liquid is starting to freeze, solidify from the coldness of the water and the ice all around and outside. Yeah, it's almost ready.
Vedi, vedi, vedi.
5 minutes. Nemmeno 5 minuti.
Nemmeno 5 minuti e la nostra granita è pronta.
Oh, here we go. Granita. Yes. Eccola là. Okay, now we got the granitas ready to taste it. See how it is. Ooh, it's very creamy. Wow. Bella. Buono. Beautiful. 5 minuti. 5 minutes to make this Italian ice. Fantastic. Now, the next thing you can do with this is a brioche. It's like a Sicilian croissant. A little different. So you take this, you break it up a little piece like that, and then you dip it right in there like that. And wow. Back to my childhood. Bravo Franco. He's an expert. If you ever come to Capital London, come and visit this place here. You probably stay all day and all night eating everything he makes. Everything's so good. Oh, look at this baby.
My name is Antonella. Questa granita is very good. Buonissima.
Andiamo a vedere che altro di bello c'è nel restaurant. Yes.
Black berries,
Pistachio,
mandarino e limone.
tangerine, and limone. It's Italian ices. Granita by Frank in Capo d'Orlando, Sicily.
Fantastic.
Wow. It's like I'm eating a tangerine. Beautiful. Now, this is pistachio, granita pistachio. Fantastic. But now, one more. Limone. Lemon. Fantastic. This is a brioche made by the master. It's kind of like a croissant, but it's got a little bit more like cakey, sugary, delicious. So you break a piece like this, important part. Then you put which one? Okay. Yeah, let's go back in the kitchen and see how the rice is doing and make some arancinis. Yeah. Okay. The meat is ready now It was normally it's made with ground beef, but this time you use real pieces of beef to make it much better. So the meat's been ground now and it's ready to stuff the arancinis. The ragu sauce, you can make pasta, any kind of pasta, whatever you want to put it on. It's the same thing to make the pasta. So we have here peas. Che formaggio è questo qua?
Evamer.
Fontina cheese. Cubes. The peas. Mix it all together.
Possiamo guardare quello con le mani.
Okay, so mix. Quasi uguale la porzione?
Sì. No, meno piselli, meno formaggio, più ragù.
Half the meat, 1/4 cheese, 1/4 peas. Approximate. Everything is approximate. Okay. Now the rice is cold, it's been cooling. Now it's ready to go. Now you take it, make like a snowball. Put that mixture back in there. Okay, make it like a little volcano. This one, you're gonna shape it up. Huh. Round. It's a little Sicilian hand grenade. Explodes in your mouth with flavor once it's cooked. They are called arancini, which means small oranges, because they resemble the shape of an orange. Okay, I gotta make sure there's about 3 or 4 pieces of cheese. And the rest is the mixture. Okay, we're down to the last, it's gonna be a very small arancini.
Ci vuole un arancinetto piccolo.
Yeah, it's a baby arancini. Here, out of 2.2 pounds of rice, we have 24 arancinis. 24. We have flour and water. About a little more looser than pancake batter. Take the arancini, tighten them up in your hands, dip them in the flour and water. to the last one. They all have taken a bath in flour and water. Now they're ready for the next step.
Riga di pane di grano duro.
Okay, this is round hard bread from wheat that's made into breadcrumbs. Okay, now we put inside the bowl the breadcrumbs. Vegetable oil. I think it's either corn or peanut oil. Either one will work. Getting ready hot so we can cook the
Ready for the oil.
It's nice and hot. And the way you tell if the oil is ready, you put a couple drops of water in there when it starts cooking. Golden. Now we're going to look inside here.
Non mangio questo.
Yeah. Ready to eat. Che profumo. Smells so good. Making me hungry. So che pensi, Franco, come sono venuti?
Buonissimi.
Yeah.
Le arancine più buone della costa.
Bravo, sei proprio bravo. Sei un artista del mangiare. There we go. Ready to eat? Che ne pensi? Come sono?
Eccezionale.
Eccezionale. Ora assaggiamo, vediamo come sono. Vediamo da.
Arancini.
Yeah.
Grazie.
Okay. The true test of the food. Here we go. What about it? Wow. Delicious. Oh my God. Fammi mangiare tutto. All these flavors just explode in my mouth. You can taste the saffron, the meat, the beef, the cheese, the breadcrumbs, the rice, everything. Buonissimi! No? A salute. Grazie. Excellent. Ora mangiamo il fantastic. È un'esplosione di sapori dentro la bocca. Si sente il zafferano, i piselli, la carne, il sugo, il riso e pure il pane di fuori. Tutto.
Yeah, now that I worked so hard, let's go up front, see what treats they got. Desserts, yeah. Oh my God, they all look so good. But I think I'm gonna have a real gelato here. Nocciola, chocolate, vanilla, pistachio, strawberry, panna. Oh my God, which one do I want? Oh, I can't make up my mind. Oh my God, it's so good. I have one of all. Give me one of each. Yeah, uno di tutti. Fammi una bella tarta grande. Yes. Ooh. Okay, that's hot chocolate hazelnuts. Oh, my favorite nuts, hazelnuts. Ooh, okay. Let's see who the lucky champion is. Okay, let's see who the lucky recipient is. Ah! Vediamo che dice la signora. Assaggia. Com'è? Buonissimo? Che sapore c'ha? Nocciola? Mangia. Come si chiamano?
Cioccolata al pistacchio.
Cioccolate al pistacchio. Ma c'è cioccolato dentro?
Cioccolato bianco, pistacchio, pasta di pistacchio, amido, zucchero.
Pistacchio. Oh my God, blues in Capodorlando. Let's jam, yeah, musica.
On the seventh day
Yeah.
of the 7 hours, that's right.
Yeah.
Of the 7 days.
7 days.
Of the 7 months. 7 doctors say he was born for good luck. And that you'll see got $700. And don't you mess with me, because I'm here.
I'm in the 7th time.
Everybody knows I'm here.
I got my cappuccino ready. I get a complete meal. Great food, ice cream, granitas, everything you want is right here. If you can't make it for you, then it doesn't exist. It's fantastic. I'm satisfied. I recommend 100%. Delicious cafe, Capo d'Orlando, Sicily. Antonio Mystic saying goodbye until next time. Ok, Franco, grazie tanto. Ciao, ci vediamo in Italia. Fantastic place here, Franco Mazzara is the owner. Just come and see him here in Capo d'Orlando. Whatever you want, he'll make it for you. Dessert, ice cream, granita, pizza, focaccia, arancini, pasta, whatever you want, he's got it. Oh, fantastic place. Ciao for now from Capo d'Orlando. Ciao Francesco, grazie. Grazie. Hey, okay, so we had some fun, had some great food yesterday over there at the cafe. Well, I hope you can make it at home. Just try it. It's easy to cook because you're really making it for yourself. You can't make a mistake. Italian food is easy to cook. You just got to get the flavor. We're right here in the Mediterranean where the flavor is fantastic. Buon appetito! Mangiate buono! Huh? Peace and love to you and spread it around, please. One world, one people, one God, one humanity.